you on camera.
Don't you be recording.
Tracy.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Homemade with Linda. I'm going to make some muffins. It's a recipe that I have been using. Well, I started making it when my oldest was a baby and she's 35, so 35 years I've been making that. And so I'm going to do that for you. And then after that, I'm going to make dinner, but that's going to be nothing really special. We're having breakfast for dinner. And I don't know what it is about breakfast food at dinner time. It tastes so good. I don't know, maybe it's just because there's bacon involved. I don't know. So anyway, let's get started.
Does that floor feel good? Oh my goodness, you feel full, Mama.
Okay, you take your egg, start with an egg. So there's one egg, and then you beat that up a little bit. And you add a half a cup of oil. Basically just add your wet ingredients and 3/4 of a cup of milk. Just kind of stir that a little bit. And then just add your dry ingredients, which is 2 cups of self-rising flour and 1/3 cup of sugar. So I'm just going to incorporate all this in there rather gently, or the flour will poof up in your face, and who hasn't had that happen? So you want to just stir this up. Until the flour is good and moistened. There's going to be some lumps. But that's okay. You don't want to overbeat it. This recipe is really so incredibly simple. Okay, I have a muffin tin here that I have sprayed with some cooking spray. And now I'm going to put the batter in it. And I don't measure it. I'm just using this for the ease of it and not so much of a mess, but you want to fill it about halfway full. And then we're going to bake them in the 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes. And when they're done in the oven, I'm going to melt about a half a stick of butter, and I'm going to have that. And in another bowl, I'm going to have a cinnamon sugar mixture. And what I do is I take the hot muffins and I just dunk the tops into the butter a little bit, and then I take that and I dunk it, the top of that, and I dunk it into the cinnamon sugar mixture. And then they'll be ready to eat. And honestly, I think I've overfilled some because I'm running out of batter. So I'll just take some out. Some of the ones I think I've overfilled. And even them out a little bit. Okay, the muffins are done. I just took them out of the oven. In this bowl here, I have a half a cup of melted butter. And in this cup, about a half a cup of sugar and a teaspoon of cinnamon. So what you do when you take these out, you got to kind of do them while they're hot. Take them out. Oh, yes, they are slightly warm. Dunk them in the butter. Quickly move over. Dunk them in the cinnamon sugar. And you continue that. Let's take a couple out so they can cool off because these literally just came out of the oven. But you're supposed to do this while they're hot. So turn it upside down. Roll it in the butter, just the top. You can do the whole muffin, but I think that's kind of an overkill. And then just set it there. And continue on until, oh, they're warm. Until you got all of the muffins, oh, coated. Let's take a few more out so they can cool a little bit. Okay, the last two. And these are really so very simple. And I think they're so really tasty. My kids have always loved these. Let me move this out of the way. And there you have it, homemade cinnamon sugar muffins. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. It was a very simple one, a very quick one. If y'all like this video, please hit the like button, and I would really love it if y'all subscribed. Y'all have a nice day, and we'll see you next time on Homemade with Linda. Bye-bye.